Hey guys, it's Rebecca. Sorry I didn't record an intro to this because this was part of another video that I was actually recording and I decided to split it up. I am using the e.l.f. corrector that is one of their cushion products in yellow. I do have dark purple under eyes, so I use the yellow corrector to kind of cancel out some of that purple hue on my skin. And it goes from the inner corner of my nose and underneath my eye all the way to the corner of my eye. And I even have problems with it on my eyelids as well. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution in C2. It's a really nice neutral color. It's not too warm and it's not like too pink for me. And then anywhere that I had like either a breakout spot or a scar, I just kind of dabbed it on. And I realized after I finished doing this, before I went to put powder on under my eyes, that there was a couple of spots that I had forgot to blend out. So I had just little white dots left on my skin. I'm like, uh-oh. But this has really nice coverage and it doesn't dry my under eyes out. I have some concealers that like crease really bad. This doesn't do that on me. I am 38 years old, so I have more texture under my eyes than, you know, most 20, 30-year-olds. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze, and that is a Luxie contour brush, and then I grab my Luxie foundation brush, which is a little bit softer and not as dense, and go back over that again just to help blend it out a little bit, just to add some color to my face. I am using the Luna by Luna Electric Highlight. It's a beautiful highlight. It's like a beigey pink color, but it's not too dark for my skin. If you see, when I turn my face sideways, you can see the highlight, but when I look forward, you don't see like a beige strip on my face, which is nice. And now some Tarte Party blush. It's funny, when I looked for the link for this product, I can find it at Sephora, but on Ulta you can't find the link to buy that blush on Ulta, so I thought that was strange. Now I'm using my taupe eyeliner to fill in my brows, and because it's a hint on the red side, I end up going back over it with the ColourPop in dark brown. It used to be called like Bangin' Brunette or something like that. I don't know if they changed the name, but this is it's an older product. I don't honestly know how much it's left. This was given to me by a friend, and I scrolled it up some and then took off the tip, and then of course sanitized the spoolie and whatnot. But I really do like this brow pencil. I have plenty of brows. I just want to darken like the front of it, and then I have a couple of sparse spots in the middle from a very bad waxing accident from cosmetology school, and then I fill in the tail. Now this is the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I do not like this product. I like my Cella Brow Gel better because it's not like hard and crunchy, and putting this stuff in my brows is literally like I could just spray my face with hairspray and run a spoolie through my brows. That's what it feels like. It's hard and it's crunchy. This is the NYX Butter Lipstick in Ripe Berry. I got this in an Ipsy Glam bag. It is a very moisturizing formula. Once I put it on, the color lasts for hours. Yes, it does transfer, but it does stain the skin, so it's nice. Even after the color has worn off, it still looks like I'm wearing some sort of lip color. And then this was the finished eye look that I had done for the video, which was looks 5 and 6 using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my eyes through this entire video. So hopefully you enjoy this no foundation makeup routine. I'm wearing the Bright Now from Aero Enhanced eyeliner on my waterline here, and then I use the IT Cosmetics No Tug Gel eyeliner on the top and bottom of this eye, and then on the inner rim on this eye. I didn't do any liner anywhere else because I wanted the looks to just be the looks. So, and I started off the look, I'm wearing the Stila Huge Lash Mascara, And the reason why I started off the look wearing mascara is no matter what I do, no, it doesn't fail. Every time I use that mascara with that weird hourglass shaped wand, whether it's the Too Faced one or the Stila one, I end up getting mascara right along my lash line. I've even gotten it all the way up on my brow bone, you know, going like this. I get it on the inside, like on the inner part of my nose. I get it, I have a mole under my eye here. So I did put that on first before I even put eye primer or anything else on. And then I used my makeup remover cloth, and I'm like going real careful along the lash line, trying with a little, like I had a little corner of it wet and I had it all bunched up. And I'm like so carefully trying to go over it. So that number one, I didn't get it on my lashes, but two, I could get it off my actual eyelid before I tried to put eyeshadow on. So because the wand makes it difficult for me to apply the mascara, I try and start a look with it, and then I can go back over it after I get done with the look and just do the tips, because of course I always end up getting eyeshadow on them anyways. So that's what I did. I did record a no talking version of what's on the rest of my face. I will do that as a separate video. I'll probably speed it up and put it on Instagram as well if you're curious. I am not wearing any foundation. I have corrector and concealer on, bronzer, blush, highlight, and that's it. I have nothing else on my face. I don't have foundation on. I did pull foundation for this month's basket. So I will see you guys in another video. Hopefully you like these tutorials where I'm not really talking through them. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I'm not one of those people that does something off camera so you can't see it, because that kind of irritates me and I don't want to do that to somebody else. So it is what it is. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below and share this video with your friends. And if you're not a subscriber and you would like to be, then click the subscribe button down below. I am trying to make sure that my daily uploads at 5 o'clock every day goes up. I am Eastern time, so they are scheduled for 5 p.m. Eastern daily. So I've got videos scheduled all the way up until February 18th, and then I need to start working on more. So I will see you guys later. Hopefully you have a great day or night wherever you are.